Hey guys, it's Ro. Today I'm hanging out with my sister Mo.
Hey everybody.
If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you would like to show support, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. We are doing so many fun things this year, and I don't want you guys to miss anything. I want to take you along on our journey. Today we are celebrating Halloween. It is so soon. It's in a couple weeks.
It's next week.
Is it? I haven't picked an outfit yet.
You gotta do that.
I'm
It's
deciding
coming up.
between three. So Mo, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna embrace your baby bump, or are you just gonna be like a pregnant witch?
Gotta embrace the bump.
Okay.
You know, it's my first Halloween with a big old bump. So I have a couple ideas that'll show it off a
Okay.
little bit, but no body paint.
But what you will get are some delicious treats. Today we are gonna be making some Halloween themed treats because it's my favorite holiday and I love making little snacks. Now we made this recipe. It is super easy, it's simple, it's Rice Krispies, but it tastes like mint chocolate chip.
And they look like little monsters. They're so
Yeah,
cute and adorable.
Frankenstein's monster.
They're perfect for serving if you're having a little Halloween party or just
Yeah.
having people over, or you just
Super
really like
easy.
Rice Krispies.
It's super easy and cute, and the recipe is from my new cookbook, Baking All Year Round.
Which, exciting news, news. It's out today.
It is officially out today because it was for pre-order before.
Yeah.
So yes, I'll put a link down below to where you can order it, and it is now live. Like, you can get it now.
You can grab it in stores. You know, I'm giving birth to a baby later, but today, this book, you just gave birth to this book. It's out there.
I did. It's like, you're born. Welcome to the world, little book.
You can hold it.
Ooh, you're a cute little book. All right, let me show you the recipe that we're making in the book.
It's so cute.
So cute. So it's in the Halloween chapter.
You have to show them the photo. You have to show them the Halloween photo.
I'm a
How
pixie witch.
adorable is that?
There's so many cute Halloween recipes. It was hard for me to pick one to do today. I was
Yeah.
like, okay, we're just making one. So here are the Monster Crispy treats that we're gonna be making.
He's so cute.
And I've got to read you the little blurb I wrote. Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
All right,
yeah.
it's story time.
Okay.
I wrote these little blurbs. Some of them are like little family stories, and some of them are just cute little blurbs for every recipe, so I really hope you guys enjoy them. Some of them are corny, and some of them are very heartfelt. Let's be frank. I can't help but watch lots of spooky monster movies during the month of October. This recipe is inspired by one of the most iconic monsters and isn't a pain in the neck to make.
Oh,
You
Good
get it?
one,
'Cause it's
good
the,
one.
like the bolt. They're mint chocolate chip flavored and they're frightfully fantastic.
they're so cute.
All right, Molly, you ready to make some treats?
I'm ready.
Let's get started.
First thing you're gonna do is prepare your pan. The first step is going to be to prepare your pan. We have a 9x13 dish right here.
That's right. You can use your favorite casserole dish. This is mine. It could be glass, it could be ceramic, whatever you'd like. To prepare it, you're gonna spray, line it, and then spray again, just to make sure, because these are really sticky.
Yeah.
I'm gonna spray this. Hold your breath. And just line it with some parchment paper. Molly's placing it in there.
And I like to leave some sides up. It makes it easier to take out once
Yeah.
the Krispies have hardened.
Yeah, if it's taller than the pan, it makes it so much easier. Now spray it one more time and set it off to the side. There we go.
Boom.
Boom. Before we start baking, I just want to let you know that I'll be leaving all of the ingredients and the measurements in the description below, so go check it out there.
And our next step is taking our marshmallows, large saucepan, and butter over the stove.
We're gonna melt them together.
Delicious. Okay, now we have our marshmallow butter mixture over here, and we're gonna add our peppermint and green food coloring while it's still warm.
Yeah, and the pan is hot, so just be careful, don't touch it. Molly, pour it in.
Ready? Here's some peppermint.
And then just a couple drops of green food color till your desired color, whatever color monster you'd like, and then mix it around.
Oh, it looks so good.
And then once the color is mixed in, we're gonna add our crispy cereal. Here we go. I'm gonna pour it in.
okay.
You ready? I'm gonna make it rain cereal.
Yeah, make it rain, make it rain. Oh my gosh. Oh, here we
All right,
go.
so you have to gently fold together. Molly, this is good practice for when you have a kid, because Mom used to make these all the time for us.
Oh, yeah,
So
she did.
now you'll know how to make them for baby. Mo has not told me what the name of the baby is yet.
I think we
She's-
know it though. I think
So
we've
she's
decided.
totally keeping it a secret from me, her only sister, her favorite sister in the whole world, her best friend's sister. You know what I think you should do? Instagram followers choose your baby name.
Wow.
Yes. Then once the cereal is combined with the marshmallows, you're going to gently fold in the little mini chocolate chips.
Okay, this even looks creepy. Look at all these like little spiderweb looking
Okay, I'm
marshmallow
just gonna
bits.
have a little bite. We just have
Just
to do
a little.
a taste test.
Just a little.
We just have to taste
Make
it.
sure there's
Okay.
enough peppermint in there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Fresh mint Rice Krispie treats. Are we kidding? This is so good. I might have to make a second batch for
Ooh.
me. It's okay if the chocolate chips melt a little.
we're gonna decorate on top of it.
Mo, you keep mixing. I'll go get our little casserole dish.
Okay.
Okay. Once it's mixed together, you're going to scoop it into your casserole dish. I'm just having one
Before
more
you
snack.
eat it all. You hold it, I'll scoop it. Oh, hold tight. Here we go. Here we go.
And it's okay if it looks messy because we're gonna press it down. Oh my God.
Stop eating them. We're not gonna have any monsters left.
Molly, this is so good.
Oh my goodness.
When baby Mo is born, can I make him his first birthday cake?
Yeah, he'll love that.
How will he tell me what flavor he wants if he can't even talk? Do we do like hand signals? Like if you do this for vanilla, this for chocolate, this for mint chocolate chip, this for funfetti?
You just have a lot of taste testing you need to do with them. You just need
I'm
to make
gonna have
stuff
a
taste.
lot of research to do with baby. I'm gonna be like, baby, what flavor do you want? Mo did a great job using a spoon, or you can use a spatula to flatten the Crispies. But a fun tip, you can take a greased piece of parchment paper, place on top of your Crispies, and press flat to get them really flat.
This is really good if you're gonna decorate them later, like we are, putting the face on.
And then peel it off.
Once it's flattened, we're gonna set it aside and let it cool completely for about 25 minutes.
This is the hardest part of this recipe, is not to eat them, because you can smell them,
I'll
but
put it
you
over
can't
here.
eat them yet.
I'll move it over here for the 25. Now that our Rice Krispies have completely cooled, we're gonna take them out and then cut them into the little bars that are gonna be the little face.
Yeah, little rectangles. This recipe should make about 12 rectangle Crispies. I'm gonna be making 2 cuts down the long way, right here, and then 3 the short way. 1, 2, 3. And the ones at the end, I'm just gonna cut them to make them more square-like.
You could probably mold them a little bit.
I'm just gonna cut them,
Okay.
because then I get to eat these.
Ah, it's making more sense now.
Rectangles are cut, and now it's time to decorate. It's my favorite time.
Now we are ready to decorate.
So over here in a piping bag, I have some royal icing dyed green with a number 3 tip at the end for a little bit more control. We are going to pipe an outline all the way around the top of the crispy treat.
It's so relaxing to do this.
I love this. Once the outlined icing has hardened, fill it in.
The outline has set, we are gonna fill it in and flood them.
Yeah, this is called flooding. Flooding a cookie, and in this case, it's flooding a Crispy. Then do this to all of your Crispies.
Again, we've let the icing set and now it's hardened. And now it's time for the hair. We have some melted chocolate in a bowl and we're gonna take our Crispies and dip them in about an inch to get the monster's hairline.
Ooh, I really like this bowl because you can't go too deep. So you just dip the Crispy and let the excess chocolate drip off into the bowl. Do, 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 do. Just give it a little shake. And then just place onto a piece of wax paper to dry. Then do this to the rest of your treats.
We've let the chocolate hair set and now it's time for the monster's cute little face.
And you don't have to wait that long because chocolate sets very quickly. So you can get on with your decorating.
And we just put some of the melted chocolate into a decorating bag with a number 2 tip on it.
So just take a little bit of this and put a dab on the back of a candy eyeball. And then place onto your crispy treat. Then use your melted chocolate to pipe on a little mouth and eyebrows to give these little monsters some expressions, and you can do anything you want. Like this one, he's more concerned.
Oh, what's he worried about?
Probably me eating him.
That's a valid concern.
Look at him, he's like,
that could
oh.
definitely happen within the next minute.
Look at him, Mo. He's like, oh no, Rose been eyeing me all day. Now for the final decoration step, we are gonna put little marshmallows on the side of the Crispy to look like the
Oh,
bolt.
his little bolts, but
Yes.
way cuter.
So we're just gonna take one of these, Mo, and a small sharp cutting knife. Be careful, don't get your fingers, and cut the little marshmallow in half. You want to make sure they don't fall off, so just take a little bit of royal icing. I like to use the royal icing. You could also use chocolate, but I like it because it's also green, so it blends in really well. Then just attach it on the side of the crispy treat near the bottom, so it looks like it's coming out of his neck.
Then do this to the rest of your monster treats.
Oh
my god, he's so cute.
Look!
He looks petrified that you're gonna eat him.
He knows. And ta-da!
Ta-da!
Here are the monster crispy treats that we made today. The recipe is from my new cookbook, Baking All Year Round, and there are so many Halloween recipes in the book. I'll put a link down below to where you can go find that, and also the recipe that we made today is also down in the description. So if you want to check out all the ingredients, how to make these cute little treats, it's down there. Thank you to my sister Mo for helping me bake today. She's like the perfect helper in the kitchen.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, baby, for helping me bake today. We'll be baking so many more things in the future together.
Oh my gosh, he would love that.
We're gonna
probably.
have so much fun, and Mo said I can also bake your first birthday cake. So start thinking about what kind of flavors you want now.
I think baby already has a sweet tooth because I'm not a huge sweets person.
Does
I've
he?
been eating so much more sugar and sweets and little treats that I
loves
don't usually crave. So I think he's a baker already. So
I'm so excited about this. Halloween is so close. I hope you guys are getting as excited as I am. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like the treats that we're making, or you like videos with Mo, or you love Halloween, any of these things. And if you would like to show support for the channel, click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. All right, thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.
bye.